Hi, John here. In this video, I will talk about what Facebook campaign objective you should select if you want to sell successfully e-commerce product. Is it like engagement or clicks or conversions, sales, or add to cars, which one of them? Okay, so I wanted to record this video because I am member of many Facebook forums, and this is like a question that I see almost everywhere, right? Usually people are asking, okay, so I have this product, right? Or I have this client and they have this product. Okay, so to get like better results, should I focus campaigns on like getting engagement, or just about getting views, for my videos, or just about getting clicks and optimize for clicks? Or because I hear like a lot of people say that you should not go after sales or conversions. So is it like a lie that you should focus on sales? Well, and I don't know where actually this came from, right? But it's kind of like a weird, right? Because the way how Facebook optimization actually works is that Facebook is kind of like a smart thing, right? And a smart system. Well, obviously, like they have like tons of money, so they are smart. And usually, like, what do you tell Facebook to focus on? Facebook will focus on. So if you will tell Facebook, okay, so here I have this ad, and it's like an ad that sell this product, like, right, product A, and I want you to, find me people who will buy it, right? And then you will select engagement, right, on that ad. And so what will Facebook really do is that instead of basically saying Facebook, okay, I want people who buy things, conversions or sales, then you basically tell Facebook, okay, Facebook, find me people who will engage with my ad, right? So click on it, comment on it, like it, or just, look at it, whatever. Or for example, you tell Facebook, okay, so Facebook, find me people who click on ads, right? And Facebook will just like get you a bunch of clickers, right? You will have like super low CPC, but still your conversions will be super like low as well, right? Because you found clickers. And that's why when you are dealing with Facebook, it's always better to try to use common sense, because Facebook is very simple. People just make it like very difficult and complicated, but it's simple. If you want sales, go with sales. If you want engagement, go with engagement. If you want clicks, go with clicks. If you want views, go with views. If you want to get more add to carts and no sales, go with add to carts. Actually, with those add to carts is interesting because I still didn't met one Facebook representative, Meta Pro, that didn't tell me, yeah, hey, here's like a new hack, right? Try to optimize on add to carts, right? And it's like they told me that in 2017, 2016, 2015, 2023, right? I actually tried in 2017 and 2022 because I found, okay, so it's like 5 years, maybe this new hack is like working again. And no, it still didn't. It's still better to focus on sales. So always, doesn't matter what you do, always focus on sales. And I think people try to, for example, go with engagement because they feel, or they have this kind of like limited belief that when you launch a new ad, if you don't have there like comments or shares or likes, people will not convert on your ads. But truth is that I literally, all of my ads that I launch for clients or for my own stores, spent like tens of millions of dollars on Facebook in last year since 2014. And I never really run any engagement campaign or any like views campaign just to get some like a movement on my ads. I always start with conversions and with sales. I always went after the main objective. So definitely do not trust people on these forums. I don't know how much money these people spend, right, that you are talking with, because most of the time when I'm on these forums, like there are usually not people that have any experience, right? They always have like some advice, but they don't really have any like a proof, behind them, or some history with really like some high level ad spend. Because usually when I see people that spend even way more money than me, and have like tons more experience, they usually like treat Facebook actually in exactly the same way, right? They go with very like a common sense, simple, strategies. They always try to make everything super simple for the algorithm to actually get them what they want, right? So if you want sales, focus and optimize for sales or conversions. And yeah, so this is like a main thing. Always keep everything same and use common sense. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you still didn't download my new ebook, it's completely free, still it's free. Facebook Ad Launch Guide for E-commerce. I literally wrote it for e-commerce owners who either want to start Facebook ads, and don't know how, And basically this will literally tell you how to actually set rules for your products, because each of those products is different priced, right? So you can literally create stopping rules, you know, for your ads, so you are never in loss, you know, based on individual products, right? And you can also find there like my ROAS calculator, right? So you can calculate when to actually stop your ad set so you are never in loss. And also it's for people who literally are running already Facebook agency or freelancer and want to know if these people are actually doing their best, right? They are not slacking, they are constantly optimizing their ads and improving, right? So they are getting like more profit every day. And yeah, so you will find there it's like an encyclopedia of like a Facebook ads, right? And how to not get bullshitted by people who you work with. So definitely download that book, you know, it's free. And if you like my videos and would like to see more of them, then definitely click on that, you know, subscribe button, you know, and that bell button. And yeah, so thank you very much, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So have a good day, bye.